Assalamu alaikum.
I think we as professionals can really, work with various NGOs and governments, and I was made aware about it. I mean, I had a little idea about, how we can contribute, but I did not know how to navigate it. But after listening to our esteemed speakers, I think they have shown us a path which we can follow or make our own. So I really love that thing about this conference. Thank you.
My name is Sanchi. I'm in my final year NDCH. So about today's conference, which was conducted by the Department of Human Development, and that I would like to talk about Dr. Preeti Desai's speech. This session was actually pretty fun because she was actually imitating voices, like making like whispering noises, like making us understand the concept even better. Like she explained the concept where the child, if he has a heart surgery or something, since they can't breathe, they put a tube into the mouth. So later, like after the surgery, the child or something, they wouldn't be able to talk like clearly or something. Their voice will be like breaking. So she imitated their voice by like whispering and all that. So that was like really fun, and it was interesting.
Hi, I'm Nishchaya from third year NDCH. So this conference was literally an eye-opener for me because we did study ECCE in the previous semesters, and I did know the importance of play and how it affects the child, but I never thought about how it would have an impact on the when the child is hospitalized, on their psychology. So when I was attending the conference, I felt I never thought in this way, and it felt like I can also expand my scope of human development by practicing it in this way also. So I would definitely like to know more about it, and this was a very motivating and positive session for me. Thank you.
I'm Divya from third year NDCH, and I really liked Dr. Preeti Desai's session. She spoke about child life services and child life specialists and all. I didn't know that it was a profession that one could take up, and everything. I became more aware about it now.
Saida Arsha Farin from NDCH third year. The conference hosted a talk on a crucial concern in the field of human development, that is the impact of illness and hospitalization stay on children, and also emphasized on the role of the child care specialists and child care interventions, which also included the importance of therapeutic play, pain management, psychological preparation. I must say the conference has generated a lot of ideas for me on how to expand my skills and professional qualifications in this field. Thank you.
My name is Anna from BSc 6th semester NDCHD. So in first session, Shagufta ma'am spoke about the fourfold life goals and the importance of balance among the fourfold life goals, and mindfulness also aids in having a balance among the fourfold life goals, and this is what I like the most. Thank you.
The session was taken by Dr. Shagufa Kapadia, and it was very informative. The relation between social skills and human development, and also the Indian scripture and the human development, was very informative, and it was a new information for me.
Hi, good morning. I'm Aishwarya from 6th Sem NDCH. So today's conference was a really interesting one, especially where Preeti Desai ma'am spoke to us about the child life specialist thing. It really interested me that play can affect or bring about a therapeutic side to it as well. So it was really very interesting, and it was also a very informative session, I would say. So I would certainly like to study more about child life specialists and all that. It really interested me. Thank you.
I'm Mehnaz from Mount Carmel College, first year MSc. So I'm talking about the conference that was held yesterday. It was an eye-opening, especially for me, the youngsters who have just, who has just entered this field. We were clueless about what opportunities we might have got in this field. So I was very much inspired by the speech given by Dr. Rekha Sharma. She detailedly explained the opportunities available in the field of human development, and it helped me a lot in finding out my future career option where I can grow and explore myself into it. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm Nurun Tanzila, first year MSc Human Development. Talking about international conference held in our college from our department. It was very interesting and very inspiring, and talking about Dr. Rekha Sharma Sen's talk, it was very inspiring, and she educated us about the scope of research in the field of human development, and it is really helpful, and I'm looking forward to do research in my future studies. Looking forward to do my PhD. With the help of her speech, I felt like I was very inspired, and yes, I'm liking it.
Hi, my name is Parul and I'm pursuing Masters in Human Development from Mount Carmel College. I would like to talk about Miss Katie Wood, who spoke about child advocacy today. And I loved her session because she educated us on how to report an abuse and how to support a child who is going through abuse. Different acts she discussed, such as POCSO and other rights, and the session was really informative. Thank you.
I'm pursuing my final year PG in Human Development. Today's talk by Katie Woods was very informative. I always wanted to pursue child life specialization as a career, but then knowing about child advocacy and all the different rights that are there for children and how to work as a human developmentalist, it provided me a new insight and also a way that I can also pursue my love for children. So it was very informative, it was very insightful, and I'm very thankful.
Yeah, I'm doing my Masters in Human Development in Mount Carmel College. I wanted to talk about today's session on ECC as explained by Dr. Shastri. She explained various job opportunities and career opportunities that are related to ECE and the policies and programs that are for the children in our India, and she also talked about the references to go for when you're looking for any job inside our country and even in other countries, and the various and even for the parents, caregivers and other context and content related policies. As overall, it was a very, very, very informative and enlightening session to participate and to be a part of.
So I'm doing a Masters in Human Development, and today's talk by Dr. Geeta Chopra was really informative, as she spoke about all the child rights and all the laws and also the scope of human development. And I was very happy to see her because she was my teacher in UG as well. So the overall talk was really nice. It was very informative.
Hi, my name is Tamima Masroora. I'm pursuing my final year post-graduation from Mount Carmel College. The session by Katie Wood, I'm going to talk about that. So that the session by Katie Wood was very informative. Pursuing child life specialization was on the top of my list from when I started doing my MSc. I think she enlightened me about a few of the things regarding the child life specialization, and she also spoke about child advocacy and the different types of abuses the children face and how to deal with them. So overall, I really liked the session, and I look forward for more sessions like this.